book up. You gonna read a little bit of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Logan's Greenhouse, written by Janay Brown-Woods, illustrated by Samira Hardy. Logan has many plants in his greenhouse. Today, Logan must find his carrots for his pet play day. Do you know about carrots? What do we know about carrots? A carrot grows downward in soil. Is that a carrot? No. Those are leeks. The bulb leaf plant starts in soil, but leek sprouts go upward and not downward. A carrot has stems that stick up straight. Is that a carrot? No, those are Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, like over there. Yep.
A Brussels sprout plant has many stems, but they mostly stick up sideways and not up straight.
Ooh, look, can I see the illustration? Those Brussels sprouts look pretty not as leafy. You know what I learned recently is that you can eat the top leaves of a Brussels sprout. Yeah, we can cook them or eat them raw in a salad. And I wonder if we should have been picking the leaves as it grew. I don't know, we'll have to do more research.
Like a lizard, it's a pet lizard.
Mm-hmm.
A carrot has brushy leaves on its top. Is that a carrot?
And then
winter carrot soup.
A recipe that Miss Janay actually shows you how to make with, I believe,
Janay?
Miss Janay, the author, Miss Janay Woods. She has videos on YouTube so you guys as kids can see her work with children. I believe they're her kids. She works with her kids to make this actual recipe right here with carrots. And each of her books has a different recipe in it at the end and a different video on YouTube that shows you how to make that recipe. So you get to learn how to be a cook. What do you think about that, Lo?
I like that.
You like that? Does that make this book extra special?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Because it took like a lot of pages to find the carrot.
Right. And
by the time that was at the end.
What did you learn along the way?
I learned that some vegetables look the same, but it's not always the same when you think it is.
Oh, right. Because like the carrots grow underground, so it's hard to sometimes tell what's growing underground. Is that what you mean?
No, like all the things you thought it was a carrot had the same, almost the same things, except they're not.
Yeah. But they all grew underground, right? Like they weren't like beans growing above ground, right?
No.
They all grow underground.
Yeah, they do actually look like beans because they're really long.
Uh-huh.
Like skinny, like really skinny. Oh, look, there's so many beans today.
Yeah, are you gonna pick them for me?
Ew. I can feel the seeds inside.
Yay, that means we have seeds. Yeah, you really shouldn't let them get this big. We've been quite busy lately, but I think I showed you guys these same beans yesterday and said, yeah, I haven't been outside. Another day where I went outside, I watered.
This is the longest one I've already picked.
Okay, wait, hold it back so I can see how long it is. Hold it up to like your body so people can see. Here. Let's see. Oh my God, it's as tall as Lily's legs. Cool. Yeah, I was watering the garden yesterday when I showed you guys how much beans had not been picked. We eat a lot of beans, y'all. They actually are really good. My mom showed me how to make some pretty decent beans. They definitely taste better when they're like small and thin like this one. And then when they're, yeah, crazy like this. Oh, you can like Lily said, hold on, let me zoom in though. You can fill the individual beans. You want to open one? Oh, you already did? Let me see. Wow. Yep. That's a seed. It's a bean and a seed now. I believe that was the size of the seeds when I planted them. And these are the first time we've grown these long beans. We've grown more like bush beans, which are not like a vine like this. And they, honestly, I feel like don't produce a lot or enough for me. This is 3 plants, and maybe in the future 1 or 2 would be enough. I mean, at least for just how much we want to eat beans, because they never stop growing. They're definitely the most prolific thing in our garden. So, oh yeah, so since we're done reading the book, let's just do a little quick garden tour. Oh wait, let's see this one. Can I hold it? I think that was the one I was feeling. Let's see how long it is. Wow. Okay, but I want to see how loosey-goosey it feels. Like, it feels so soft. And then you get to the parts where there's seeds forming right here. That's pretty cool. But these skinnier versions, I mean, there's a little bit of seed pods growing, but they're not gonna, you know. Woo, look at all those beans. Be careful though. Don't forget I have that vine growing. Yeah, the watermelon vines growing down there. Although they're growing incredibly slow. I don't know if anyone else has grown water. I thought watermelons like the heat. Like, they grow in the summer because they like the heat. I don't know. So yeah, so those are our larger tomatoes we eat. Cherry tomatoes. The Swiss chard we need to make into salad. I really am missing cilantro when we go to the grocery store. They suck when they have them there. It doesn't smell right. It's really sad, actually. So I want to plant some new cilantro. We still haven't finished those planters I showed you guys we're building on Instagram, so the plants just sit here. At least they get shade here. This is supposed to be, I believe, a hydrangea. This is not a good sign, but that often happens when you buy groceries. That one came from the grocery store nursery. But yeah, everything looks so much better now that it's been fertilized. The Brussels sprouts. Let's see and zoom in. So many. I believe I just gotta learn and look it up. I've been occupied, but I think we can like take a whole bunch at the same time at this point. And like I was saying earlier, you were supposed to be able to eat these leaves up top, the fresh ones. I think ones on butter may be bitter. So our cosmos, which, you know, just keep getting bushier and bushier. The cotton. This pot is so hard. But it's also producing new flowers. That's a flower. Their flowers are so pretty. Over here, there's a lot of wild cotton I've noticed. The corn that I like it. This is gonna be zinnias. These are gonna be zinnias. There's a lot of weeds again. I gotta do a better job of weeding and putting straw down. And then the cukes. Let's just see what they're doing. And the garlics over here. I planted a lot of seeds, but I think a lot of it got dried out and competing with weeds. Ooh, this is not good. This is not a good sign. All the way up here. Ooh, this is... Oh no. That's concerning. Alright, I'm gonna have to deal with this. I've been lazy, y'all. We're gonna have to deal with this. Don't die. Don't die. So yeah, that's the project in the works. Obviously, I'm being real slow. But that's happening. That's what happens. Sometimes you gotta take one step at a time. Ooh, Lil, how many did you get? We're winning treasure, food treasure.
Help me.
Okay. Maybe you go put some on the chair and come back, and then we'll collect some more and take them all in at the same time, okay? Okay. All right, well, everyone have a great weekend.
A lot of very orange tomatoes.
You got a lot of what? Oh, yeah.